In a small village school, Mr. Ahmed, a passionate teacher in his late 30s with a heart of gold and an unyielding spirit, took his place at the front of his classroom. The room was filled with the chatter and clatter of his young, lively students. Today's lesson was on the wonders of the natural world, a subject that usually captivated the children, but today was different. It was as if the warm spring day outside had filtered into their bones, making it nearly impossible for them to sit still and focus. Amidst the chaos, Noor, a bright-eyed girl with an insatiable curiosity, tried to quiet her classmates, but her voice was drowned out by the noise. Ali, known for his mischievous antics, was tossing a paper plane across the room, much to the amusement of his friends. Lena, always quiet and observant, sat in the corner, her attention divided between the lesson and the pandemonium around her. Mr. Ahmed clapped his hands in an attempt to regain control. "Class, settle down," he called out, his voice firm yet kind. He knew that scolding would only dampen their spirits, which were usually so full of life and potential. He had to find a way to channel their energy into something productive and engaging. After a moment of thought, inspiration struck. He grabbed a large box from under his desk and pulled out an array of colorful materials. "All right, everyone," he announced. "How about we do something different today? Let's create a giant mural of the natural world. Birds, trees, rivers, anything you can imagine. But you have to listen carefully to the instructions." Instantly, the chaos turned into a buzz of excitement. The students gathered around him, eyes wide with anticipation. Mr. Ahmed divided them into groups, giving each a specific part of the mural to work on. Noor was to lead the group working on the sky, Ali's group would tackle the animals, and Lena's group was assigned the plants and trees. As they worked, Mr. Ahmed walked around, offering guidance and encouragement. The noise had transformed from meaningless chatter to purposeful conversation, filled with ideas and creativity. The mural began to take shape, each child's contribution adding to the beauty of the whole. By the end of the class, the mural was complete. It was a vibrant depiction of the natural world, brimming with the individual touches that made it unique. The children were proud of their work, and Mr. Ahmed couldn't help but smile. He had not only managed to teach them about nature, but also about the power of teamwork and creativity. As the school bell rang, signaling the end of the day, Mr. Ahmed looked at his students, their faces beaming with joy and accomplishment. He realized that despite the chaos, or perhaps because of it, they had learned something far more valuable than any textbook could teach. And in that moment, he knew he was doing exactly what he was meant to do.